Black women, let me talk to you for a minute. I just got off work. Excuse my struggle bun. Last week, somebody said I'm bald on one side. That's fine. I had PCOS too. Listen, we are losing all across the board when it comes to our reproductive health. For the last 2 weeks, these two have been all over YouTube, all over Twitter, all over Facebook. Who stole the baby? Why did she give her baby up? We are losing all across the board when it comes to our reproductive health. Don't think that you can't be infertile. Matter of fact, Black people are twice as likely to be infertile compared to white people or all people. And that's for a lot of reasons. Number one, when we're young and we have symptoms, we're quick to get on birth control, which masks every symptom until we get old. Then we find out that we have infertility, diabetes, cardiovascular issues. We have endometriosis more than anybody. We have fibroids more than anybody, which leads us to get a partial hysterectomy 50% more than the white ladies do. Quick to cut it out. Infertile. We get our tubes tied because we don't want to have babies anymore because we think that it'll reverse it. Not everybody. Infertile. We're overweight. Half of us. That can make you infertile. We don't plan to have our babies, most of us. So we got two DNAs that are unhealthy that pass that whatever to our kids. And our kids end up with some kind of comorbidity. We die 50% more than anybody else doing pregnancy. And sometimes on the table, our kids die more from stillbirth, from sleeping, more than anybody else. Nobody is saying, why does this not happen to me? Black women, we are losing when it comes to reproductive health. Either one of these ladies, it cut me off and I wasn't done talking. So, the other one, postpartum depression, yeah, you can get it. It's real. And you want to know why? Because after you have a baby, your hormones are imbalanced. Some people are really depressed, especially if they don't have any money, they don't have any support, maybe they're going to be a single mother. Who knows why? But it affects Black people twice as much. So she's telling the damn truth. It could be you. And most likely, if she was seeing that, she was on Medicaid. After 60 days, Medicaid cuts you off of your behavioral health. So if you were on antidepressants, not anymore. I'm sure she wasn't eating right. She said she had the other kids. You never know. It could be you. We got to do something about it. Education. I think we just don't know. We just don't know. She could have did something as simple as green tea. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about the easy things that we can do. We'll talk about it when I wake up.